Having excess weight is something which people do not want at all. People who have more weight than they should have try to do all those things which can make them lose their excess weight. People hit the gyms, run every morning, follow different kinds of diet plans, eat various weight loss supplements and do various other things just to get rid of their extra weight. People who want to lose their weight should know about healthy snacks for weight loss. Snacks are eaten by people in between the meals so that they do not stay hungry and the metabolism rate in the body does not get slow. Here, we tell you about top 10 healthy snacks for weight loss which will help you to reduce your weight. 1. Simple popcorn. Popcorn is considered as one of the best healthy snacks for weight loss. People should never have butter popcorn. They should eat simple popcorn which has high fiber content which is very good for weight loss. People should eat popcorn between their meals. 2. Bars. If you have ever eaten bars then you might know that they are one of the most famous healthy snacks for weight loss. The bars which you eat should not have more than 200 calories and they should not have more than 2 grams of saturated fat. Bars can be carried along anywhere easily. People can eat bars whenever they feel like having snacks. 3. Nuts. People who think that nuts increase weight are not right. Nuts are in fact very tasty and effective healthy snacks for weight loss. You can eat almonds, pistachio, walnuts or any other kind of nuts in order to reduce your weight by eating snacks. Only 160 calories are offered by 50 nuts. It is good to have nuts as snacks for those people who wish to lose their weight. 4. Greek yogurt. Most people might have not tried Greek yogurt as healthy snacks for weight loss. High protein levels are present in Greek yogurt. By adding pomegranate seeds to such yogurt, people can make it even tastier and beneficial for weight loss. Protein helps in burning fat in the body and antioxidants which are present in pomegranate seeds help in boosting the rate of metabolism in the body. 5. Chocolate milk with low fat. Most people think that only children drink chocolate milk. However, chocolate milk having low fat is no doubt counted as one of the best healthy snacks for weight loss. It offers calcium, proteins, minerals and vitamins to the body. This snack is absorbed by the body in a fast manner and makes people feel energetic. 6. Yogurt with blueberries. You might be aware of the health benefits of blueberries. People who wish to lose weight should drink yogurt with blueberries as healthy snacks for weight loss. It is very easy to prepare this snack. You just need to have low-fat yogurt and blueberries to make this snack. It is very effective for weight loss. 7. Apple with peanut butter. Anyone who has ever eaten an apple with peanut butter knows how tasty it is. People who will eat this snack will be able to get a lot of fiber and nutrients. Peanut butter will make them feel energetic. This is one of the best healthy snacks for weight loss which are eaten by a large number of people. 8. Whole grain crackers with cheese. People who love to eat cheese would love to know about this snack. Eating whole grain crackers with light strings of cheese will help people in losing weight. A lot of fiber will be offered by the whole grain crackers. People who are not ready to quit cheese should try eating this snack for weight loss. It is one of the most favorite healthy snacks for weight loss for those people who like cheese. 9. Soybean pods. People who wish to lose their weight should eat soybean pods. First, people need to boil these pods and then they can keep them with themselves and eat them when they have become cold. This snack is considered as one of the most effective healthy snacks for weight loss because it helps people to avoid overeating. You can eat soybean pods by adding a little salt to them. 10. Hummus and baby carrots. If you are addicted to eating chips then you should try to eat hummus and baby carrots. Carrots will provide you that crunch which you expect from chips. You will also get a lot of fiber by eating carrots and hummus. Very few calories are offered by this snack. Next time you crave for chips, have hummus with baby carrots. This way, you will be able to help yourself to lose your excess weight by eating healthy snacks for weight loss. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.